Do some cooking today outside. A little overcast, but it's not horrible. Have a nice day. The size of these. This one's pretty smallish. That's a big old crab. Yeah, they're good crabs. This is a big one. Look at this one. Ooh, very nice. It's got a broken claw. That's pretty good size. Look at that sucker. Dang. Nice crabs. My wife always has a piece of an onion left over and some garlic, little cloves there. I'll put those in. So we've had this pan for a minute, but this pot for a minute. It doesn't have a lid, so we start using this pizza stone. It's about the only thing big enough to cover it, so got lucky there. It works pretty good. Just gonna let it boil up a little bit so I can add the crabs. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the spices. Add some crab oil. I think that's gonna be enough. I'm gonna add a little bit of Tony Chittery. See, it's not that much, but it's salty. It's like a salt flavor. Tony Chitteries. Hopefully that's gonna be, smells good already, but look at that. There's one. Hopefully this pan's big enough. Dang. We only got 4 crabs, so hopefully that'll be enough. Nice. Check that out, y'all. Beautiful crabs. All right, since we added those 4, we lost a little bit of heat. So I could crank this up. This is a 200,000 BTU burner, but that's a thin pan. So I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. It'll look, it's already starting to do something there. My baby out here working hard. Hey, you ready for those crabs?
Oh, yeah, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, and they're so good. It smells good, babe. I put a little bit of Tony Chitteries.
Oh, nice.
So you'll like it, I think.
Okay.
Here we go. Just double check and see if we had a good boil there. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. It's a little too much of a boil for me. So I dropped it a little bit. Like I said, 200,000 BTUs, and I rarely ever go full boat on this thing. If I do, it's gonna be like to burn off my disco, my cowboy walk, if you want to call it that, which I love cooking on. Check my videos if you hadn't already seen that, but like to burn off a lot of that you know, water to make it, just to burn the water off quick, or sometimes I want to heat it up so I can get the seasoning on it. Anyway, 200,000 BTU, super nice. Whoa, floating, looking good, they're ready. So we'll knock that out. I'll go ahead and turn that off. And here we go. All right, this is how they came out. Pay no mind to that bread. I know I said carnivore diet. Don't worry about that bread. It is Sunday though. And then we got our melted butter there. Bella's. She's gonna drink a kombucha. And I'm gonna drink a Pellegrino. Just sparkling water. There we go.